Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find your national insurance number in the UK. Let's start by opening your web browser. Type find your national insurance number into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the first official result from gov.uk, and on this page you will see the different way to retrieve your number. Scroll down to the online service section. You can use this if you have lost your number or if you just need a formal letter confirming it. Click the green Start Now button to proceed. Now you need to sign in to the HMRC. You can choose between Government Gateway, gov.uk, one login, or creating a new account. Choose the one that applies to you. For this tutorial, we will use the gov.uk one login. Enter your registered email, click to continue, and then enter your password. Once you are logging in, your personal dashboard will display your national insurance number along with your other details, and it's that simple.